In this video, we are going to learn about inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Let's create a class MySum, which has one constructor function and a function which computes sum of two numbers which is passed to it. Let's verify the function working properly or not. Yes, it's working. Now let's define another class myDiff and sum, which inherits class mySum. To inherit a class, you have to mention the class name inside pair of parentheses while declaring the class. In this case, note that mySum is parent class and diff and sum is child class. Now define a constructor function and a function to find difference of given two numbers and create the object of the class. Now using object from diff and sum, you can call the sum function. Note that diff and sum does not contain summing function, but its object can use the function because diff and sum inherits the class MySum which contains summing function. As always, link to the code that we had discussed in this video is given in the description box. Please check it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more on ML, subscribe to this channel.